Being the leaders in LED linear tape, it made sense to come out with this easy-to-use, all-inclusive LEDtask lighting kit that has everything you need to create dramatic LED linear applications. Let's get started. Let's talk about what the LEDtask tape kit capabilities are, and then we'll show you just how easy it is to hook up, install, and control. At the heart of our LEDtask tape kit is our LTR series tape. You can get over 16 feet of commercial quality 24-volt tape that comes in 4 color temperatures. The tape boasts an impressive 133 lumens per foot at an energy-saving 1.5 watts per foot, is dimmable, and can be cut every 4 inches. Every kit comes with an RF wireless controller. The controller offers handheld convenience that turns power on and off, achieves 10 dimming levels, allows you to adjust brightness, has a dynamic lighting mode with 8 settings, and 10 speed levels for some interesting effects. Hooking up and installing your LEDtask LED tape kit couldn't be more straightforward. Just connect the inline RF controller cable to the plug-in power supply and plug in the LED tape to the inline controller cable. Now you're all set to run your tape wherever it suits you. We added connectors to make any installation a custom one. Just cut the tape on the cut marks, peel back just a 1/4 inch of paper to expose the contacts on the back of the tape, and slide it into the connector. And we included a lot of connectors for you. We have tape-to-tape connectors, 6-inch wired connectors, tape-to-wire connectors, and 15 feet of extra wire. These accessories allow LED tape to be cut into smaller sections and connected together to light different areas, like behind a TV, under kitchen cabinets or shelves, or anywhere else that you can think of. And before I forget, applying the LED tape to any surface is as easy as peeling back the adhesive paper and firmly pressing the tape against any clean surface. It will stay in place as positioned. GM Lighting's LEDtask LED tape kit has everything you need to achieve professional lighting results, and all controlled by a simple-to-use handheld controller. For more GM products, check out our website at gmlighting.net. Thanks for watching.